Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. How to do trademark registration. Trademark registration is a crucial step for businesses and individuals seeking to protect their brand identity and distinguish their goods or services from competitors in the marketplace. While the specific requirements and procedures may vary across jurisdictions, the general process can be broken down into several key steps. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore trademark registration in detail, providing you with a thorough understanding of the process. Preliminary research. Before initiating the trademark registration process, it is essential to conduct comprehensive research to ensure that your desired trademark is available for registration and does not conflict with existing trademarks. Begin by searching the trademark database of the relevant intellectual property office or hire a professional trademark search service. This search will help you identify potential conflicts and evaluate the distinctiveness of your mark. Identify the trademark class. Trademarks are classified into different classes based on the type of goods or services they represent. It is crucial to determine the appropriate class or classes for your trademark. The classification system varies across countries and is typically based on the NICE classification system. Each class may have separate fees associated with it, so it is important to choose the correct classes for your goods or services. Application preparation. Once you have completed the preliminary research and determined the appropriate trademark class, you can proceed with the application preparation. This step involves gathering the necessary documents and information required for the trademark application. The typical requirements include: applicant's details, provide your name, address, and contact information as the applicant of the trademark. Trademark representation, submit a clear depiction of your trademark. This can be in the form of a logo, word, or a combination of both. Ensure that the representation accurately represents your intended trademark. Description, include a detailed description of the goods or services associated with your trademark. This description should be comprehensive and specific, outlining the nature and scope of your offerings. Basis for filing, specify whether you are filing for actual use or intent to use the trademark. In some jurisdictions, it is possible to file an application based on the intention to use the mark in the future, while in others, the mark must already be in use at the time of application. File the application. With the necessary documentation prepared, you can proceed to file the trademark application. Submit your application to the appropriate intellectual property office or trademark authority. It is important to ensure that the application is complete and accurate to avoid delays or rejection. Some countries provide online filing options, which can streamline the process and provide a faster response. Examination and publication. Once the intellectual property office receives your application, they will conduct an examination to assess its compliance with the relevant regulations. This examination typically involves a search for conflicting trademarks and an evaluation of the distinctiveness of your mark. If any issues or conflicts arise during the examination, the office may request additional information or provide an opportunity for you to address the concerns raised. If no conflicts or issues arise, your trademark will be published in an official gazette or journal to provide public notice. This publication allows interested parties to oppose the registration of your trademark within a specified period. The opposition period usually ranges from 30 to 90 days, depending on the jurisdiction. Opposition period. During the opposition period, third parties who believe your trademark conflicts with their existing rights can file an opposition to prevent its registration. The Intellectual Property Office will review the opposition and consider the arguments and evidence presented by both parties. If an opposition is filed, it can extend the registration process and may involve additional legal proceedings. However, if no oppositions are filed or if an opposition is unsuccessful, your trademark will proceed to registration. Registration and certificate. Upon successful completion of the examination process and the opposition period, if applicable, your trademark will be registered. You will receive a registration certificate or a similar document that officially confirms the registration of your trademark. This certificate serves as evidence of your exclusive rights to use the trademark in connection with the designated goods or services. It is important to note that trademark registration is not a one-time process. Trademarks generally have a limited duration of protection, typically ranging from 10 to 15 years, depending on the jurisdiction. To maintain the protection, you will need to renew the registration periodically and comply with any renewal requirements set by the Intellectual Property Office. In conclusion, trademark registration is a vital step in protecting your brand and distinguishing your goods or services from competitors. By conducting preliminary research, identifying the appropriate trademark class, preparing the application, filing it accurately, and navigating the examination and publication process, you can secure the exclusive rights to your trademark. Consulting with a trademark attorney or agent experienced in intellectual property law can provide valuable guidance and ensure a smooth and successful trademark registration process.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel